Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu jar cake. First, gather your essential ingredients: ladyfingers, strong espresso, creamy mascarpone cheese, fresh eggs, and granulated sugar. It's crucial that your mascarpone and eggs are at room temperature for a smooth, lump-free mixture. Also, prepare about 6 to 8 8-ounce jars, making sure they are perfectly clean and dry before you begin assembly. This preparation ensures a delightful dessert experience. Next, let's prepare the creamy mascarpone mixture. Whisk your egg yolks with sugar until they become pale yellow and achieve a light, fluffy consistency. Then, gently fold in 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until just combined, being careful not to overmix. For the ladyfingers, quickly dip them into about 1 cup of cooled, strong espresso. Avoid soaking them too long, or they'll become soggy. Now for the fun part, assembling your jar cakes. Start by placing 1/4 of a ladyfinger at the bottom of each 8-ounce jar. Next, add a generous layer of your prepared mascarpone cream over the ladyfingers, spreading it evenly. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a smooth, creamy top layer. This layering creates the classic tiramisu experience in a convenient, individual serving. Once assembled, refrigerate your tiramisu jar cakes for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cream to set perfectly. Just before serving, dust the top of each jar cake with about 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. They're perfect for parties or a special treat. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.